Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course according to my recommendation. I will add the link in the description which covers all the parameters and contain all the weightage related to UI UX fundamentals. I will add the link in the description. Let's start with the review. It's a ICAT College UI Design and Development program by ICAT College of Design and Media, and it's a 1 year course, and the campus is based on Chennai. And if we go down, it's an overview about the course, theory part, and these are the stats. 100% placement opportunities are there. Expert section from industry professionals are there. And if we go down, modules are foundation studies, UI design, UI development, application prototyping, usability, and user experience. Also, if we go down again, these are the tools: Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, XD and Figma. In programming language, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap is there, Visual Studio, GitHub is there. Like, they also didn't mention any AI tools, as this course is not future oriented course because they didn't mention any Adobe Sketch, Invasion Framer, and Adobe Figma Make, and Figma Site, etc. So I think AI should be there. These are the words, these are the testimonials, these are the works by their students. So they are also helping portfolio development, and this is the career opportunities, and these are the placement. These are the company partnered with. If we go down, nothing else. These are the locations. So it's a average course, nothing more in this course. If we going to read down according to the parameters, the depth structure is not there because they didn't detailed about the proper UI UX. And again, it's a 0.5 in fundamentals. UI design quality is again 0.5 for me. Hands-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. Tools and software is again 0.5 for me because AI tools are missing. And if we mentorship and feedback is 0. Portfolio development is 1. Placement option is there 1. Course value and fees is 0.5. Industry relevance update is again 0.5. If we total count, it's a 6 out of 10 course. So it's a above average course, like you can go with that, but look like it's a very basic course according to the market standards. And if we take a look about the future of UI UX, so it's a very basic course. Like, there are many better course in the market. I will add the link in the description of the best UI UX course which covers all the parameters and which contain the heavy weightage related to UI UX fundamentals, which covered all the AI tools and UI UX tools, also help in portfolio development, and also give you a support in placement. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.